Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's a little bit of a weird video. Oh look, there's a moth. I've never done these videos. I do make price predictions, but I'm a freaking nerd, everybody, and I put them on this little journal thing like a fucking loser. And I sit here and I'll like do the math on them and make my guess. Okay, what news came out? And I always try to look at the chart. I'm a huge chart nerd, right? Without the chart, I feel like price action. Without the chart, I feel like I have less control of understanding where the price action goes. It doesn't mean I'm always right. And probability right now, by my math, I'm at around 70%, which is really high because when I started at 2018, I was wrong. Or I was right 3 or 5% of the time, so I would keep losing money. But my trade RR ratio was good enough where I would make up some of it, and it really started helping in the meme token world because I would make up 1,000% sometimes, right? So there's a way to do that, and it just takes time, effort, and motivation. But today's video, I'm actually going to go over somebody else's full price prediction. I want to show you guys what they think and give you my understanding of what could be from it. So real quick, article super duper close. Today is the 1st, and basically their big predictions for August are step 1, altcoins. They believe that altcoins are going to outperform all of Bitcoin. Do I believe that? I see that as a good probability. I wrote that in here, and the reason is because Bitcoin dominance is rising, but the SEC is really trying to attack all of crypto, I feel. And the more that they continue to do that, the more us degens and crypto lovers and traders are still going to find ways to invest in some of these altcoins or these tokens, whatever way, where the government's going to keep trying to stop us. I think with that, you're going to keep creating the sentiment that we should be buying some of these alt tokens. So I do see that as a huge probability. We might be able to outperform Bitcoin. That does not mean we're going to meet the market cap. Let me clear that up. It does mean, though, that in some of these bubble charts, they're going to go up to 1,000, 200, 500%, where Bitcoin might only do a 10 to 20% move. Especially when that last video I had, I kind of did an analysis on Bitcoin here, and we literally saw like to get to the next, it's like an extra 10% here, right? So even if we did that small type of move, it's only going to be a 10% move. And that is a big move, where some of these, a 10% or even a 10% move could double, triple I shouldn't say it that way. A small move like that looks like a huge candle on a chart, which usually signifies for an investor that a big move is coming and allows a lot of these meme tokens to skyrocket. So that's something to think about. Altcoins do have the probability of outperforming Bitcoin. Just keep watch on it and make sure, as one of the rules on DeFi, you are not going to risk something that you're afraid to lose. The next one they've got on here is Ethereum. This I totally believe and agree with and understand. Here's why. Meme token world is still currently run on Ethereum. And I don't know if you guys saw this a couple days. We had 2 tokens that hit 80 million or something in market cap, which is freaking insane because that's in a day. I mean, we've got people turning, not we as a community, meme coin community, we've got people turning from $10 to $100,000 in under a day. So it is literally the craziest opportunity in my entire life. And same for you guys. I don't think we'll ever have an opportunity like this again. So keep watch on this meme token market. But yes, because of that, I do think Ethereum has a chance to hit another 10% increase against. And then lastly, my favorite one is their Dogecoin. Where that comes from, Dogecoin, where that comes from is because of Elon Musk's change on X, and he has made numerous comments, statements, posts emphasizing that Dogecoin will be maybe utilized in the Twitter ecosystem to allow for payments to be received. So keep your eyes on that, very much so. If you've got a little bit, take a small risk, especially if it's something you don't want to lose. You won't lose, just take a small risk on it to maybe get a big gain on it, right? Especially because it's a big crypto. Like, this has been around for years, right? This was the start of the meme coin craze. So just keep watch on it. Again, do your research before you buy any of these, just to be safe. I mean, you can always buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and in my opinion, Doge too. They're pretty big where their volatility isn't here to ruin somebody. But again, remember, if you're following the 10 DeFi rules, you will only invest what you're willing to lose. Because at the end of the day, this is an investment. This is not paying a bill. This is taking a risk on something. So just be smart about it. And as always, none of these channels are going to be financial advices. You know, none of us are financial analysts, but we are nerds that take notes, break it down, and make a bunch of spreadsheets. And I hope that helps. But do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe this video. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. Clearly, I'm not a good YouTuber, but I'm a giant nerd, and I'm hoping that this information helps you guys and makes it easier for you guys to last in these crazy volatile markets like I do. All right? Thanks, everyone, and have a good day.